In this video, I want to explain how you can start an online business and make money fast. I'll share step-by-step instructions anyone can follow to start making money later today, and that's even if you have no previous experience. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been making money online almost since the beginning of the internet, and because of that, I haven't worked a real full-time job in years. Over those years, I've mentored countless online marketers from all over the world. I'd love to help you too. If you're looking for a way to start an online business and make money fast, stick with me. I'll share exactly what you need to know. And before we get going, can you do me a big favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comments below, please let me know how you got value out of this video. So if you want a way to start an online business and make money fast, here are the steps you need to follow. The first thing you need to do is have clear goals of how much money you are looking to make and how much time you will commit to your new online business. Having clear goals allows me or another mentor to give you the best coaching possible. It really doesn't matter if your income goal is another few $100s a month, or maybe if you're looking to create a full-time income. Just be clear on what your goal is. You also need clear goals on how much time you will devote to your new online business. Some online businesses take a lot more time than others. Mine can be done properly in just a few hours per week. But if you cannot commit to a few hours per week, this is definitely not for you. Don't waste your time. Ignore the BS you may have seen like, "We will build it for you." You have to commit a few hours per week. Next, choose the kind of business model. Now, I only recommend affiliate marketing or network marketing because with the right opportunity in one of those business models, you can really leverage your time. See, in so many side hustles, you really just trade your time for money, and there's just no leverage. Those are more like having just another job. And there are a lot of those online too. For example, the taking surveys thing, online tutoring, or data entry. I'm all about creating free time as well as making money online. One of the big advantages of starting an online business is creating time freedom. And while you are checking out business models, be sure to only look at things that create passive income. Over the years, I've only built businesses that pay out long-term recurring income too. See, instead of just getting paid once, I keep getting paid month after month for the work I do one time. Next, you're ready to start looking for the right system to build a business with and the right people to work with. And I know it sounds backwards to do this before selecting the actual business, but it's really a major key to your success. You want a system like our team has. We give everyone their own sales funnel for free. It comes with landing pages, sales pages, and follow-up emails. It's the same sales funnel I use, but personalized to brand and promote you, and again, it's free. Watch out for businesses where you'll need to purchase a sales system with a monthly fee. Those can get really expensive really fast. And without a proper sales funnel, your chances of success, they're slim at best. The right marketing system will generate traffic for free, build your email list, and grow your business on autopilot. And that's even if you've never done anything like this before. And no matter what experience you have, we all need a good mentor. It's just so much easier when you have someone good showing you the way. And I see it all the time. Good people in what I consider to be good companies fail miserably in spite of a lot of hard work, and a lot of times it wasn't their fault. They just didn't have a good mentor, tools, and system to follow. So let this be your number one criteria. It really can impact your success more than anything else. Almost every day, people in other businesses contact me because of my mentoring and our system. Many of them end up joining our team just because of it. It's that important. Once you've completed these steps, you are then ready to choose the online business to join. And as soon as you do that, get into action. Focus on being a good copycat. Follow their system exactly. Do not make the mistake of trying to reinvent the wheel and trying to come up with better ways to do things. Copy what works. I cannot overemphasize how important this is. Part of that team system will be learning to brand and promote you so you attract good people too. See, I don't just promote my online business. I promote our system, our team, and me. Focus on promoting you just like your mentor does. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can have people reaching out to you, wanting to team up with you because you promoted you. And then lastly, as your business grows, be sure to help new people get started the right way. Our team has excellent training. If you team up with us, just make sure your new people get plugged into that training. So here's what I do. It's how you can start an online business and make money fast. It's very low cost to start and super simple to build. It only takes a few hours per week, whenever it's convenient for you. It pays weekly commissions by direct deposit and has recurring income too. And talk about making money fast, many new people make money their very first day. And in case you're wondering, this is not one of those things where you have to buy products every month. I hate that. Our team will give you the high converting sales funnel I mentioned earlier for free. We have the best training in the industry, and I will mentor you personally. You can be set up and start making money later today. To learn more, go to my website at easymoneypath.com. Again, that's easymoneypath.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon. Thanks for watching.